Drawing modes. In our day-to-day life, we use tools to do lots of work. A tool is an object designed to do a specific kind of work, such as cutting or hammering or what have you. Similarly, tools in software are used to design and modify our objects. Let's discuss how these tools work in our upcoming tutorial. Now first, we're going to start with drawing modes. In Flash, we have two drawing modes which give us flexibility while drawing shapes. They are the Merge Drawing Mode and the Object Drawing Mode. Let's discuss these each individually. First off, the Merge Drawing Mode. This is the default drawing mode. It automatically merges shapes that we draw, and when we overlap them, we can see a shape that has merged with another, and move it, and the top shape cuts away the part of the shape below it. Let's see with an example. Draw a circle, and then a rectangle on the stage. Now, place the rectangle over the circle. If we move the circle, then the overlap portion by the rectangle is removed. Now we're moving the circle. Aha! See, the portion is overlapped by the rectangle is removed. When a shape has both a stroke and fill, they are considered as separate graphic elements that can be selected and moved independently. This is called stroke, and this is called fill. Object Drawing Mode. Object Drawing Mode, and its shortcut key J, draws shapes as separate objects that do not automatically merge together when objects are overlaid. This mode does not overlap the shape's appearance, even if we move or rearrange them. Flash creates shapes that are drawn using this mode as a separate object that can be individually manipulated. Let's discuss this with an example, shall we? Select the Rectangle tool and change it to Drawing Mode by clicking Object Drawing icon from the toolbox, and then draw the object on the stage. Now we're going to place one circle on the stage. See, the objects are in drawing mode. Note that when we select a shape created using the Object Drawing Mode, Flash surrounds the shape of the rectangular bounding box. Here, the stroke and fill of the shape are not separate elements. We can set the context sensitivity of shape created in this mode using the Preference panel. If we deselect the Object Drawing Mode, then whatever shapes that we draw on the stage are automatically considered as Merge Drawing Mode, which, as we said, is the default mode. Select a rectangle and deselect this icon and draw on the stage. Now, just select and see the stroke and fill appears individually. Hence, we can isolate objects in Object Drawing Mode, and they got merged in Merge Drawing Mode. In our next tutorial, we'll discuss selection and sub-selection tools.